Good morning, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss question number 6 of exercise 4.2. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Here, what is given to you? Cost of one article given to you, that is 3 more than twice the number of article. Let the number of article I have taken as x. So, cost of one article will be 3 more than, so 3 plus twice of number of articles. So, twice means multiplied by 2 and the article, number of articles how much you have taken as x. So, 2x. And total cost of production also given to you. How much rupees? 90 rupees. Total cost of production means number of articles into cost of one article. That will give you total cost of production. So I have written. So number of articles what you have taken as x into cost of one article that you have written 3 plus 2x, which is equal to what? 90. Now you multiply x into 3, 3x. X into 2x, that is plus 2x square, which is equal to what? 90. 2x square plus 3x plus 90 comes this side, minus 90 equal to 0. So finally I got the quadratic equation. By middle term splitting method I am going to get the x value. See, 2 into minus 90 minus 180. Yes. In multiplication, I want what? Minus 180. In addition, what you want? That is plus 3 middle term. Such kind of numbers I am going to write here. So, how can I get the two numbers? By prime factorization method. 180. You can write it 180 is divisible by 2, that is what? 90. It can be divisible by 2, that is 45. Again, this is divisible by 3, that is what? 15. Again, this is divisible by 3. 5 times. Now, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, that is what? 12. Yes. 3 into 5, that is what? 15. I need minus 180 and plus 3 in addition. Okay. So, I am keeping minus 12 and plus 15. Minus 12 plus 15. Add these numbers, you will get what? Plus 3. Multiply these two numbers, what you will get? That is minus 180. So, I am going to write this equation 2x square. In a place of plus 3x, I am writing minus 12x plus 15x. Okay. Minus 90 equal to 0. From these two terms, what is common? 2x is common, so take it out. What is left over? X minus 6. Okay. From this one, these two terms, I can take it out plus 15. Okay, you will get my x minus 6 equal to 0. X minus 6 is common factor, so take it out. What is left over? 2x plus 15 equal to 0. Each factor you have to equate with 0 so that you will get the x value. So x is equal to what? 6 I got. And for the next factor, 2x plus 15 equal to 0, so that you will get x is equal to minus 15 upon 2. So, okay. X what you have taken as? Number of articles produced on that day. See, number of articles cannot be negative value. That's why I have to cancel out this factor, that is 2x plus 15. So finally the x value I got, x is equal to 6. So that is your answer. Number of articles produced is 6. Okay. And one more thing they asked you, cost of one article also. So that also you write it here. Cost of one article is, you have taken as 3 plus 2x. 3 plus 2x, 2 into x value I got, that is what? 6. So you can write it 3 plus 12, that is equal to what? 15. So cost of one article is rupees 15. That is your answer. Thank you.